Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. But before jumping on the video, you guys love it when I do share my lip shade. Today I'm wearing this Milani lip crayon in the shade Crazy For You, which is 130. It is definitely comfortable, matte. It has that medium to sheer coverage, not full, and it does transfer, but it's bearable and it's not noticeable. It stays for really long and definitely comfortable, so I really like it. Now let's move on to the haul. Now I know it is a pandemic time, I'm sharing my haul, but honestly I do have lots and lots of products which I bought in the beginning of this month, like April. Okay, so I do have lots and lots of packages in my home, and I have decided so many haul videos from like very long time. So the videos you will see for hauls, I have already bought it, I have already received all the packages. Okay, right now I'm not buying any new makeup, right now I'm not receiving any new brand packages as well, because obviously हर जगह lockdown है, and I'm not getting the PR parcels. So if I do get, I am not opening them. I will let it be there for 4 to 5 days and then I will open it. I'm trying not to do more of branded content right now, but there are few that I have to, because I have already promised the brand, I have already received the product, so I will do in May. But in generally I'm not feeling like, because it's a lot of stress right here. खुद को ठीक रखना पड़ रहा है mentally, so it's very hard for me as well, but I'm trying my best to do everything possible to just motivate me, and also this videos, making notes, making videos, it is what I love. So yeah, I'm trying to do that only to make myself feel good. I mean, there is no pressure at all. There is definitely stress, but I'm not pressurizing myself to make the content, because this is what I love, and I would love you guys to watch me, not in a bad mood but in a good mood, showing you few hauls that I have bought earlier, and also sharing my makeup knowledge with you guys. So in this pandemic, in this lockdown, I hope you guys learn something from my videos that I really want. So if you guys want to see more such tutorials, or how to create that look, how to create these smoky eyes, I would definitely do that for you guys. Do separate videos of eye makeups or any other tutorials you would like, any color combinations, or any like a full face of one brand tutorial, or anything like that. Okay, just let me know, I would love to do that. I would love to vlog as well, because in my community, the complex I live, it's very nice. I can go run niche hi, and it's a big place, there is 3 grounds, I can play with dollar there, so I can do vlogs. But vlogs mein koi itna dekhta nahi hai mera vlogs. And also, if you guys want some other videos like challenges, just let me know what challenges you want to see. Mere bhaiya bhi ghar pe hi hai abhi, I can like make him do anything I want, right? So आप लोग बताना आप लोगों को क्या देखना पसंद है. I would definitely request my brother as well. So yeah, I know that was a really long intro, but I had to share this with you guys. Yeah, so let's move on to the haul. Okay, so I do have this whole package full of makeup and skincare. So let me just quickly start. Okay, so at first I see the Stay Quirky Sexy Eyes 9 pan eyeshadow palettes. Right here they have launched 2 palettes. I have bought both of them because obviously I wanted to try them. Now this one retails for rupees 5.99 each, but definitely there is always an offer going on, so don't forget to check it out. This is Sultry Eyes number 1. So I've already opened the plastic it comes in, but I haven't opened the package. Oh no. Okay, so this, you can see the shade has broken, but yeah, these are the colors you will get in the palette. So let me just quickly see. Yeah, it is totally broken. I'm not gonna mess that up. I'm gonna swatch the brown one. It feels very creamy, by the way, so I'm super excited to try. So let me know if you guys want a separate video of these or not. Coming to the pigmentation, it's quite nice, not too pigmented, but it is definitely creamy. Okay, so let's see the next palette, which is Fairy Eyes number 2. This one again retails for ₹5.99. I'm very scared to open this as well. You never know. So let's open it. Okay, there's another shade which has like totally messed up, that red one. So let me just quickly swatch this, the broken one obviously, and the white one. Why I'm saying golden? Okay, it doesn't show up that much. So let me swatch it here. Nice, that is a nice color. And here are the swatches. Definitely very powdery, these shades. The palette number 2 is little powdery. Alright, next up I have restocked my Bioderma micellar water because I really like this. It is very gentle. I do have sensitive skin and this works for me really well. So I really love this and I have restocked it. Now the next up, I have bought the Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. I have used it before. I really like the Colossal one, but I wanted to try something in budget friendly that I have used before. I wanted to try the Essence one, which I didn't get, so I got the Maybelline one. Now this one retails for ₹335, but I got it at 200 something like that. Next up, I have bought the Swiss Beauty Liquid Glitter. Now this is in the shade number 7, I guess. It is a green color glitter. Let me just quickly swatch it. Wow, this is beautiful. I would definitely like to use it for an Eid look. So if you guys are interested, I can do a video on that. You don't have to wear it Bahar, you can wear it Ghar pe. You can call your friends, you can call your family members and show them. Next, I have bought the Swiss Beauty Fusion Highlighter. Now the shade, I think it's a little dark for me, so the shade I went for is number 6. Okay, so I forgot I got the shade number 6. This is number 6. This is how it looks like. Now this one retails for ₹2.99, I guess. Let me just quickly swatch this. It's like a gold bar. It's definitely very nice, the texture. Okay, the next product is something which I have heard great reviews all over the place, and that is the Face Shop Water Fit Tint. It's a watery tint, and let me just quickly swatch it. Oh, bad swatch. Anyway, it is beautiful, by the way. Wow, that is so amazing. Love the shade as well. So I'm going to try this out very soon on my cheeks and I will let you guys know if I like it or not. But in hand, it definitely looks very pretty, very pretty. So the price of this was ₹7.99 or something like that. Next up, I have bought the NY Bay eyeshadows. Now these are blinking eyeshadows. I have bought 2 shades, Highline number 22 and this is Grand Terminal number 13. Let me just quickly swatch them for you guys. I really love the packaging. It is so cute and tiny. And this is the first shade. Right. Let's swatch it here. It's a beautiful pinky kind of a shade. Love it. And next one is going to be a blue one. I love that they are color coordinated. Okay, mera haath pura na. So this, wow, love the shade, you guys. I'm super excited to try this out. Wow, let me just quickly try it on my lower lash line. The shade is very pigmented also. Let's move on to the next product. So next up, I've bought the Good Vibes Watermelon Gel. I have used it. I really like it. I've got the smaller one last time, so this time I've got the bigger one, and I'm super excited to try this again. Alright, next up I have a new launch from Swiss Beauty again. This is their HD matte lipstick. So let me just quickly swatch this for you guys. So this is how the packaging is going to look like. It definitely reminds me of the Huda Beauty bullets and also the Nykaa Ultra Mattes. Okay, so here is the shade I've got. This is a dark brown number 19. Where should I swatch? Let me swatch it right here. That shade is so damn pretty and also so creamy, you guys. So pigmented and so creamy. I love it. Oh my god. I want to try some new shades from this. I really want to try, but I can't buy it right now. Anyway, I will try it after lockdown. Definitely, it is extremely creamy. Yeah, love that. Okay, next up I've bought this Purplle True Jewel 24K Gold Primer. Now let me just quickly open this and see how it looks from inside. It definitely is different from the picture which I saw on their page. Like, you can see the gold is so very less. Oh my god. And in the picture on the website it was like all over, but there's hardly any. I don't know how this will look, but not happy. Alright, let's move on to the next product. Now this also I have seen a lot of reviews, and this is the Juicy Chemistry Damask Rose and Fig Organic Lip Scrub. Okay, so I have used a Juicy Chemistry lip scrubs before. I really liked it, but this particular one was very popular and I've seen a lot of reviews. I have seen people recommending this all over, so I thought let's give this one a try. Okay, we have came to the last products I have got from Purplle. Now these are the Purplle mini liquid lipsticks. These one I have got, I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 shades in total. So I'm definitely going to do a lip swatch video, but if you are interested, okay, so let me just quickly swatch one of these. This is number 23, which is my first night out. It's very cute. It's a mini liquid lipstick. Let me just swatch it right here. Okay, this is the shade, and let me just swatch another one as well. So this is the shade number 26, my first photo shoot. Now this has some metallic finish. I'm swatching it right above that, and here is the shade. It's very pretty, very vampy, and you can see the reflection. Alright, the price of these was rupees 199, but I think I got it for 170 or 160, something like that. So yeah, I do have 8 shades. So if you guys want me to do a lip swatch video, give this video a big thumbs up, okay? And in that way, if I get good likes, I would know that I have to do this video for you guys. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Those are the products I have bought from Purplle. Now I do have another haul coming up from Purplle because I have shopped a lot. So stay tuned for that as well. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I am going to mention the links down in the description box below. If you really want, you can, but I won't force you to buy or anything. You can definitely go ahead and check the reviews from the website as well. So you can do that, okay? And you can, wishlist it so that you can buy it after the lockdown. I'm not forcing you to buy it right now. I hope you guys have really enjoyed the video, and give this video a big thumbs up, and to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And there will be few haul videos coming up on May, so stay tuned for that as well. And do let me know what videos you want to see next. Any video ideas you would like to give me, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye.